Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, that generation here. We're talking about year 2015 to year 2023. If your windshield wipers do not work, you need to find a relay for the windshield wipers. Stay with us, we'll explain which relay you need to check, guys, where that relay is located, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test relays and fuses. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience, guys. Make sure you stand till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So which relay we need to check specifically for the windshield wipers? We're going to demonstrate on 2018 Ford Mustang GT, but even if you have a different model, procedure will be about the same, different engines. Now that's the main fuse box. You need to open it right here by pressing that notch. You start opening it just like that. Now right here, guys, you can see on the back side you will have the fuse numbers and relays printed, which makes it really convenient to see what you have here. The bad news, you don't know what they're for. That's why we made that video, trying to save you time and money. So before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So now the relay for the windshield wipers, we're going to come, guys, okay, in that relay block right here. This is the one towards the very front. If you need to buy a replacement relays, that could be really hard to find and expensive, guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. But the relay that we'll need to check is known as relay number 80 right here. We're talking about that relay over here that you'll need to check. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.